everyone! I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. In this presentation, we will discuss about explanation text. Okay, let me introduce myself and my team. I am Nindya and my partner is Raksel, Floren, Gita Cayani, Gita Nurani, and Rido. First, we will show you about definition explanation text. Explanation is a text with style processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbook. Generic structure of explanation text. General statement. General statement is stating the phenomenon, issues which are to be explained. Sequence of explanation. Sequence explanation is stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena.
Purpose of explanation text. Explanation is a text with style processing relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. To explain how or why something happens.
Example of explanation text. Frog metamorphosis.
Frog metamorphosis. Frog including vertebrates through metamorphosis in the process of growth. Frog metamorphosis process itself, including the type of metamorphosis for body shape, is very different from one phase to the phase of the metamorphosis of another metamorphosis. Metamorphosis frog is general. The frog metamorphosis is divided into 6 phases, namely the phase of eggs, embryo, tadpole, changing of tadpole, young frogs, and adult frogs. The 6 phases will be illustrated with a pictures of a frog metamorphosis below.
How the process of metamorphosis of the frog? Let's get started.
1. The egg. A single cell is the beginning of the egg. A jelly surrounds the shell and protects the egg. To take care of the young, after the female had laid them, she may stay with the eggs or may leave the eggs. 2. The embryo. An embryo is formed by the mass of cell in the egg. Organs and gills begin to form. An internal yolk is the place where the embryo lives. For 21 days, the embryo is supplied by the nutrients.
The tadpole. The jelly cell is left by the embryo. Then, the embryo attaches itself to a weed in the water after its 21-day development period. To absorb the oxygen and food on algae, it has external like office. It must rely on its camouflage to protect itself because it is extremely vulnerable.
The changing of tadpole. The tadpole begins to change for about 5 weeks. The hind legs start growing with care, followed with forelegs as soon as possible to prepare the frog for its life on the land. Lungs begin to develop.
Young frog. After the lungs develop, the tadpole becomes even more like frog. It is small, widens, it loses its horny jaws, and the gills are lost. The legs start growing and the tail becomes much smaller. At this point, the looks are almost useful and functioning.
Adult frog, a fully developed frog, emerges from the water with its lungs, legs, and tail for about 11 weeks after the egg was laid. Finally, the frog starts finding a mate. The female lays the eggs, the male fertilizes them, and the whole process begins again. Thank you so much for your attention and see you!